Hello and welcome to Mass Academy. I am Noor Alam. Today I am going to represent the question of the day 9. Here I am describing simply the topic PNC. One very easy and tricky questions I am going to describe here, and the question is easy but a little bit we have to focus on it. Okay now. So now first question asking that there are 5 boys are there. 5 boys and 4 girls are there. 5 boys and 4 girls are there. Okay, you can only write G, no problem. So 5 boys and 4 girls. If I ask you how many students are there, 5 boys and 4 girls, so you say it simply, sir, 9 students are there. Now my next question is, if I ask you, can you select any one out of 9? So which technique you can actually apply here? So you have only 9 options. Okay now, any one you can select. So it can be done in 9C1, or you can simply write it is 9 ways you can select any one students. Now the question number 1 is done. They asking one student can be selected in how many ways? So there are total 9 students and you have 9 choices. 9 choices are there. So we can write 9 choose 1. Okay now, a team of 2 students, 1 girl and 1 boy. So now in this time you have to select 2 things, but 1 from the girls and 1 from the boys. So there are total 5 boys, and out of 5 boys you are going to select any one. There are 4 girls, and out of 4 you are going to select any one. So both selection are independent. Okay now, then we do the multiplication. The reason is what? We want 1 boy as well as 1 girl. These are 2 things we want, and you know that 5C1 is nothing but 5, 4C1 is nothing but 4. So total option you have 20 options. Now coming to the question number 3. What I see there, 2 medals can be distributed. No one get both. 2 medals you want to distribute it. So if you want to distribute the 2 medals, now we can do in this way. First of all, for the first medal, I have how many options I have? The total I have 9 options. So out of 9 candidate, I can select any one. So it will be done in 9C1 ways. Now I have the boy or girl who has got this medal. I am going to separate them from the group. Okay now remaining I have 8 students. So out of these 8 students I am going to select any one for the second medal, and this work can be done in this way, consecutively or simultaneously. We have to do the work. If both the work done, then the questions will be complete. Total work will be done, because you have to give the 2 medals so that no one get both. So therefore you have to select from the 9 student only one and separate them, give them the medal, and this can be done the 9 ways. Now remaining 8 student who don't have any medal, so you have again 8 choices. So you notice that here you have 9 into 8, and it will be the 72 choices are there. But some of my student ask me, sir, why not we are going for this way? That means they said that if I am taking out of total 9 students, if I choose 2, so in this case I have 9 factorial by 2 factorial and then 7 factorial. So here total we have 9 into 8 and then divided by 2. So now we have 36 choices. Which one is correct? This pink color, the 36 options, or 72 options? So what is the difference between them? What is the difference? What is the difference between them? If I ask you what is the difference, what is the difference between these two, what they are actually want to say? Can we say that this 72 or 36, which one is the correct options? Here also you are going to select the 36 students. Sorry, not the 36 student. Here you are going to select the 2 student out of 9. So now when we use the multiplication idea and when we use this directly 9C2 options, and which one is correct here? So always remember, my dear students, where the order is important, where the order is important, that means subsequently you are doing the work. First you select one, then you are going to select another thing. So in this case we have to do this one, because first you have to select one who got the first medal. Then that means the action should be done in a sequence wise. Action should be done in a order wise. First this complete, then that complete. Suppose you are going to choose out of 5 apples 1 apple, then you are going to choose out of 4 oranges 1 oranges. So therefore total number of choice should be 5C1 into 4C1 if you are selecting one objects. Okay now, so here the order is important. First you select which one. Okay now. So but when the order is important, then you have to take like this one, 9C1 into 8C1. But when the order is not important, order is immaterial, the order is not important. That means you can say that like you have 9 friends and you are going to invite any 2 of them. So if you invite Raj and Rohit, or you invite the Rohit and Raj, both are same. Okay, so when the order is not important, then you are going to do this way. But in our problem, order is very important, because no one will get the both the middles. This is very important. Is it clear? So here order is very important. In which order you distribute the middle, it is should be considered. Okay now. And here the order is not a material, order is immaterial here. So we discard these options. This is not actual correct options. Correct option is 72. Okay now. Now next is one prize for maths. One prize for maths. So now how many students we have here actually? How many students we have? So question number 4 I'm going to solve here. So you have one prize for the maths. Total number of students 9, and 2 prizes for the physics and 3 prizes for the chemistry. So 3 chemistry and 2 physics and 1 prize for the maths. Okay now. So now you have to distribute it in such a way so that no student can get more than 1 prize in the same subject, and prizes are distinct. All the prizes are distinct. Okay. So first of all we do one thing. For the maths, how many options are there? No student can get more than 1 prize. No student will get more than 1 prize. Okay now. So now here we have 1 prize for the maths, 2 prizes for the physics and 3 prizes for the chemistry, and we have to distribute among the 9 students, out of which 5 are boys and 4 are girls. No student can get more than 1 prize in the same subjects. That means a student cannot get 2 chemistry book, a student cannot have 3 chemistry books, 2 physics books. Okay now, like that. A student cannot have the same book twice, and the prizes are distinct. All the maths books, chemistry books, physics books, so therefore 3 plus 2 5 and 6 all are the distinct awards, or are the distinct prizes. So now first of all my target is I am going to distribute the 1 maths book. So 1 maths book, how many options I have? I have only 9 options. So first of all I take any one student and I give to that student that book. Now again I stand all these students in a row. I told them please all of you make a queue and stand in the queue. Okay now in this standing 9 students, again I am calling any 2 students for the physics books. So now out of 9 students, if I call 2 students, I give them these 2 books. So 9C2 ways, in this way I can select the 2 students. Now the physics books are not the identical, the physics books are different. So I can distribute I can distribute among them in 2 factorial ways. Is it clear? Now again I ask them go and stand in a queue. So again all the 9 students are standing in a queue. So among which one student has the maths book, and one student has the physics books, another student also has the physics books. It may possible that a student who has the maths book may also have the physics book also, no problem, but same subject don't have 2 books. So now among the 9 boys, again I call for the chemistry books. So in this time I am selecting any 3 boys, sorry, not 3 boys, any 3 students. So it can be done in 9C 3 ways. So in these selections, those students also came who has the maths book and physics books in their hand, they also come for the chemistry book also. Or the student who don't have any books, they can also come for the chemistry books also. Now it may also possible that a student having the physics books only, he or she will come for the chemistry books also. All the possibilities are there. I can select any 3 students, and after selecting I distribute the 3 different books among them in 3 factorial ways. So I hope all of you understand what is going here. So this is the correct option. In this way you can find out after multiplication the total number of ways of distributing these prizes among the student. So now I am going to end the video. Now we will meet very soon in the next video in the question of the day 10. and hope all of you enjoy this video. Bye, have a nice day. Be connected with Maths Academy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, bye, have a nice day.